This is Rakesh Rane watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you if you are looking for an alternate of snipping tool. So this video is for you. So maybe in your case, your snipping tool is not working, or maybe you need a powerful tool like snipping tool, because we have very minimal option in this tool. So this video is for you. This is the perfect one. So watch the video till the end, and I will show you the replacement of snipping tool. So what you have to do, you have to go to Google, then search here green shot, and you'll have to open the first URL. Over here you click on download. This is absolutely free, and once you click on download, it will take some time and it will start the downloading. So this is the latest version. So okay, over here we have to click on the latest stable, and it will start the downloading. So I have already downloaded and installed the setup file. So like this setup file will download. This is around 3.78 MB, and I have already installed, and I'm not showing you the installation process. I've already installed, and instead of that I will show you the features of that application. It is pretty simple. Just next you can install it. So once it is installed, don't search the application over here or open from here. uh, Snipping tool we can search from here and open, but don't open it from here. If you open, it will show some error like this. Instead of that, what you have to do, you have to click on the up arrow key or the hidden icon tray, and you will see the icon here. So uh, let me show you how you can use it. If you click on this application or right click, so you will see these many options we have. So I will show the important option only, or other options you can check one by one. So most important option is this first option. So if you click on this option, so it will start working, and you have to select the area you want to capture. Once it is selected, then this uh, option will pop up. So over here we have so many options like save as, copy to clipboard. You can copy and directly paste it in the chat or any file, Word, Excel, anywhere you can paste. And send to printer, you can directly print, or you can send to Microsoft Outlook, or you can uh, open in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, PPT. So many options are here. So let me show you the most important option, that is this open in image editor. This is the most important option here. So other are basic option, you can try one by one. This option I will show you. Once you click here, this will open a advanced version of editor. This kind of editor you will not see in the snipping tool. We have very advanced option here. So these are few basic options, save and print these options. But here we have on note, PowerPoint, Word, Excel. If you click any of this option, it will directly copy that screenshot in that Word file or Excel, whatever you select. Now you can edit in the Word like that. If you click in the Excel, it will open Excel and it will paste it inside the Excel file. So let me close, and few other options are also here. So these are the editing options. What we can do over here, if you want to select a particular portion, you can select. Okay, and over here we have few more options like this, then this line and this arrow. This kind of option we don't have in the snipping tool. So you can draw also, and over here if you want to type something, you can type it. Okay, and this kind of option, these are very important option that we don't have in the snipping tool. If you want a counter, like if you want to add a counter, like this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this you can add counter. And if you want to write anything with the counter, you can write that also. And then we have a highlighter. If you want to use a highlighter, you can use that as well. And this option we have in the snipping tool. And this is something else, I don't know. If you have any idea, you can comment. And this is a border and all you can add. If you want to add a border in this screenshot, uh, these are few basic option you can rotate. So this is the tool. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. If you know something that I have not explained in this video, you can comment below, so that it will be helpful for other people. So if you have any doubt, make sure you comment, so we will reply to all the comments. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.